Hey foodies, ever wonder how to whip up a delicious, healthy side dish that's packed with flavor and incredibly good for you? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into a culinary journey that will transform humble vegetables into a star. First things first, let's get our ingredients ready. We're starting with 100 grams of beautifully grated carrots and about 250 grams of fresh green beans, perfectly chopped. To add that aromatic punch, we'll need 1 finely chopped onion and 4 vibrant green chilies. And for that essential texture and flavor, about 50 grams of grated coconut. Now for the magic, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once it's shimmering, it's time for our tempering. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Listen to that delightful crackle. Next, 2 dry red chilies for a hint of warmth. Quick tip: once those mustard seeds start popping, quickly cover the pan with a lid to protect yourself from any splattering oil. Safety first. After a few seconds, carefully remove the lid. Add in our grated carrots, chopped beans, onions, green chilies, and that lovely grated coconut. Give everything a good mix, ensuring all those beautiful spices coat our vegetables. This is where the flavors really start to marry. Cover it up again and let it cook on a low to medium flame. Remember to open the lid occasionally and give it a stir to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. We're looking for about 10 to 12 minutes of gentle simmering. And there you have it. Once our vegetables are tender, crisp, and perfectly cooked, turn off the flame. Our dish is ready. This, my friends, is a delightful Kerala-style carrot and beans thoran. It's a super healthy dish, low in calories, and packed with incredible fiber. A perfect addition to any meal. Do try this at home and let me know what you think in the comments. What do you call a dish like this where you live? Share your regional names and variations below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.